Marathon Live will begin soon. Good luck.
So do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, I'm working out, but let me get back to sweating. So I'm trying to understand all the brothers. I love you, I can do it for my workshop class. So give me the sword and let's not make it the last.
Thank you.